How to redeem Costco Citi Credit Card rewards. Hello everyone, in today's tutorial we're going to discuss about how you can redeem your Costco Citi Credit Card rewards. So without any further delay, let's just get into it. First off, you can open up your web browser and simply search for Costco Citi Card Credit Rewards. Here, there are a few ways that you can earn rewards. The first one being you can earn cashbacks. So you can accumulate rewards throughout the calendar from January 1st all the way up to December 31st in the tiered categories. So here, as you can see, you can get 5% on gas at Costco and 4% on other gas or EV charging, all the way up to 7,000 annually and then 1%. After that, you could save 3% on restaurants and eligible travel and 2% on Costco or Costco.com purchases. And you can save 1% on everything else. So in order to do that, you could also go ahead and redeem your rewards. So you can only redeem your rewards in person at the Costco warehouse. At the register, you can scan the certificate barcode shown on the phone. You can head over to the Costco reward, and you could also go ahead and find all of your rewards here. Then you can apply for the certificate towards purchases or redeem it in cash. And any leftover balance is given as a cash change at your checkout. But you have to note that you need to keep your Costco membership active. So during these redemption, your Costco membership must be active throughout. And that's pretty much it. That's how you basically redeem your Costco credit card rewards. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.